Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics, and in this video I am going to show you how to change cost basis into your interactive brokers. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change the cost basis into your Trading Basics, you just simply have to open your Trading Basics application or any of the browsers, and after opening the browser or application, just simply log into your Interactive Brokers account. And now after coming to the account, just simply click into this performance and reports option, and into here go to the tax documents, and after going into there you will see this kind of interface into here. Now you just simply have to scroll down until you see this cost basis option, and into the cost basis you will get this position transfer option. You just simply have to click into this gear icon besides that option, and after clicking into there it will show all of the transactions or transaction dates that you have, and you can edit the cost basis from here. And after editing the cost basis, click to continue. I don't have any transactions into here, so I cannot show it voluntarily, but you can easily do that after coming into this tab. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.